Hi viewers, today we are unboxing Bumblebee. Please like and subscribe. Here is the big Bumblebee. Here's the back of the box. You might notice that it's like that instead of like this. I don't know, maybe it's ready to open it, Daddy?
Yeah, let's open it.
Now we are unboxing Bumblebee. See, we are unboxed. Wait. Get this open. Yeah. Stuck.
Yeah.
Are we still on?
Another one? Oh, it's eight.
And the other
This is the ketchup. Look at it, simple Bumblebee, Bumblebee, I'm Bumblebee, Bumblebee. Look at these nice guard guns. Look at these guard guns, Dad. Yeah, this is nice guard gun.
That's how do we get those guard guns down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like stuck.
Okay. There's so many moving parts. That's good.
Bumblebee, Bumblebee, yeah!
You want to make this as a car?
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Viewers, as you know, yeah, we unbox the Bumblebee. Wait, I got them already into a car. We're going to be showing you the Optimus Prime again and comparing them later on in the video. So, look, see, all these parts that are at the bottom. They're sassy or everything. Speaker thingy. This little tire with words. A little back. The side, the top. And look at these cool feet. The doors are open. There you go.
That's cool.
And they can close. Now it's time to transform him. Ready to transform?
You want to transform into the Bumblebee again?
Yes. His part of the video.
You have to take it to the garage. You have to bring it to the garage.
Where?
Mm.
I can move now. Time to transform. Get ready. Let's just transform it. We're gonna start by doing this. Getting the windows out for some space. You lift this up. Daddy.
Yeah.
Come
And
up.
then there's guards, guns.
Yes, these guns up.
Yeah.
Guns up like that.
And then we
Get
take
this.
out the feet.
Feet. Here. Wait, get these feet out. Get these out. Get these out. Get these out. Get these feet out.
Yes.
Getting the feet out.
Yeah.
Down with that. Get the gun. Get this down. And then wait. Get that over there. These up. Wait, where's the head?
Oh.
Where's that head?
Where's the head? Good question. Where's the head? I found the hands.
Where's the head?
Where is the head? It's here. Yeah. So here's the transformation. Yeah, it goes here. Oh, this way. Yeah.
Is it still on?
The feet coming out. Almost done.
Phew. This goes up here.
Logs are fine.
Dad, do you know what they're gonna do at the end?
Yeah.
They're gonna go to a fierce battle at the end.
There we go.
Daddy, wait, this one's upside down.
What?
The foot.
Oh. Yeah, you're right.
Wait, get this thing down. Get this up. Good. Perfect. Connected. They're connected.
Yeah.
Ah!
They connected to
Mommy, is it still on?
There we go.
Again. Bumblebee's going to the battle.
They don't fight with each other. They're friends, no?
No, I mean, in one of the scenes they were fighting.
Oh,
But
yeah.
Optimus Prime got a bug. And that's the scene I'm making. He got a bug in his head, making
Ah.
him fight. Bumblebee.
Seems like Bumblebee's taller than